Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Binance US suspends USD deposits and also USD withdrawals will be suspended. Then the second thing I would like to discuss is that Gary Gensler compares the present crypto market to 1920s stock market. And it's saying it's full of fraudsters. And the third thing is that EU watchdog targets crypto ads on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter. So let's talk about all these kind of things. And don't forget, every day I'm bringing you this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain videos so you can keep yourself up to date. The only thing you have to really do, subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe bell button all, and then you will get the daily fresh videos, the announcements after one is out. And if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating here on daily basis, then just hit the like button, highly appreciate it, and let's do today's show. Right, and for the start, as usual, let's have a quick look on the market, which shows that Bitcoin is about 1% up right now, $26,634. Ethereum about 0.3% up, not a huge move at all, $1,844. When we're looking at the top gainers, Moss Network 4% up, XTC Network 4%, Terra Classic almost 4%. The loser Stacks 5% down, Cardano a bit more than 3% down, and WeChain down 2.5%. So basically not a lot. When we look here, the daily candlestick chart, we are still in this falling wedge. And as you can see, this was the red one was the shock one when the SEC attacked Binance. But that was it actually for now, at least. Then they came out with other news that attacking, Coinbase, listing a lot of cryptocurrencies, becoming securities. At least the SEC is what thinks about these cryptos. So actually, this is just their opinion at this point. And then the market just started to go up and a little bit down, and now it's getting, it looks like that this storm has passed now a little bit. Of course, other things can come out, but this was a big hit, to be honest with you. And the market reaction was the sell pressure on Bitcoin was actually very low. So we will see how this story will unfold. And now let's move on to the first topic, which is all about that the Binance US suspends USD deposits, and also USD withdrawals will be suspended as well. Okay, so yes, well, we have talked about it earlier, and now it's about happening that Binance US actually announced that they suspend USD deposits. Also, not just the deposits, but fiat USD withdrawals will be also suspended from the 13th of June. And, Binance announced that it was forced to take action aimed extremely aggressive, tactic by the SEC. And the firm noted that in an effort to protect customers on the platform, it is suspending USD deposits. Furthermore, Binance US is notifying customers that our banking partners are preparing to pause fiat USD withdrawals channel as early as June the 13th. Okay, so be aware of this. If you have anything on Binance, self-custody would be the best. This goes for Binance US, right? So not Binance International, let's clarify that. But actually, they're saying that probably if any USD is left there, it will be converted into, stablecoin. This is the probability. Anyway, we don't know that Binance is under attack. By the way, they kind of finding back. I mean, some sources are saying that actually Binance has $1 billion to fight the lawsuit against the SEC. And if you just think about that, XRP Ripple is doing pretty well in their case, which hasn't finished in years, of course, still on. But, if they have spent like $150 million, which is a lot of money, and Binance has about $1 billion to fight that, it can go on for a while, and they can actually pay really the best lawyers. So yeah, this is not over for sure. However, they had to do something about it because, the SEC is right now attacking, but they kind of fighting back. And I think this is important. And we also see that the whole crypto industry came together. Even Coinbase is saying that they're not going to suspend, their staking service, even that the SEC is just not happy with it, and so on and so forth. They also fighting back. So SEC and Gary is not in an easy situation if all these exchanges, and they have a lot of money, will fight back and do their best. Yeah, and we shouldn't really forget that crypto is global. It's not United States. Okay, so United States is important. There are a lot of crypto investors and crypto fans over there, but a lot of crypto haters, as we can see. Right, continue with Gary Gensler, because he's saying that actually the crypto market is just like the 1920s stock market, full of fraudsters. So in an interview, Gary Gensler compared the crypto market to 1920s stock market full of fraudsters, and saying that the current crypto market is like the 1920s US stock market, saying that it's full of hacksters, fraudsters, Ponzi schemes. You can actually listen to his words. Look, actually, you can see that he's actually passionate, and how he became from an MIT professor and a blockchain expert, and but a crypto fan, who knows, to be honest with you, to someone who actually really dislike this industry.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, the public being left in line at the bankruptcy courts. We've seen this story before.
So, well, pretty clear, right? Just this short clip. So, and he's saying that just as Congress cleaned up the stock market by enacting security laws, the current SEC can also clean up the crypto market by applying these laws. This is what he argues. And actually, Gary Gensler praised the Security Act of 1933 and Securities Exchange Act of 1934, claiming that these laws allowed U.S. securities market to thrive over the next 88 years. He argued that the crypto security market of today should also benefit from these laws. And now, I would like to just really highlight these dates. Back then, we talked about the stock market. Now we're living in digital age. Digital currencies, CBDCs coming, cryptocurrencies, internet, Web3, is really the best thing to use an act from 1933 and 1934, or it would be actually wiser to come out with something which fits, our present world much better. You can use some fundamentals from those, obviously, but they're just simply not designed for this digital world. But I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Anyway, this is what Gary is saying. And okay, now let's move on to the third topic. And the third topic, it's all about that EU watchdog targeted crypto ads on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter. So we have the EU watchdog targets crypto ads on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and on the 8th of June, so basically yesterday, the European Consumer Organization, an umbrella group of 46 independent consumer organizations from 32 countries, published a report titled Hype or Harm, and the Grey Social Media CryptoCon in the 20-page document, the group stated that the consumers are not fully aware of the risk associated with crypto. The announcement stated that TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube are responsible for allowing misleading advertisements of crypto to multiply through ads and influencers. This is an unfair commercial practice exposing consumers to serious harm. And so basically, actually, I do agree with that part in a way that there are so many crypto ads and influencers who are actually shitting bad projects, scam projects, and because the public doesn't know about it, and they saying that, well, it will bring a huge amount of profit for you, people jump in. On the other hand, people really should educate themselves before they do anything like that. Here on my channel, I've never ever talking about hyping projects. I'm talking about the news that you can see clearly what's happening on the market, and also educate you in a way how you can judge it for yourself to decide to invest or not invest in crypto, first of all, or when you choose a crypto project. But I would never ever accept money from companies saying that, okay, I pay you money and then, please, push our product, our token, make it more famous, and then you get your share. Because I don't think this is fair. On the other hand, I also believe that anybody can. It's freedom. Anybody can decide what they would like to invest in, or there's their own risk. And yes, things can be misleading, but if the people don't educate themselves, they cannot really blame advertisements. So, for example, if you see an advertisement about anything, and this is just simply not you, just because there's an advert out there, it's not talking about crypto, but general things. So, anyway, there is a food, and then which you actually don't like, the advertisement about it. Would you buy it if you just hate the taste and smell of it? No, you wouldn't. Why? Because you can decide this is just not good for you, because it's not your cup of tea. Same should go for investments, but unfortunately the lack of financial education in our school system, in our lives, it's just not functioning, and people are greedy, and when they see something that, wow, this would be actually great, that could make my fortune and I can make a lot of money with this, then they jump on board without just doing their own homework. And of course, many of them have been hurt, because it's a very complex new industry, and there are a lot of scammers in it. I do agree with that. There should be a filter. There should be definitely a filter, and I would be really thrilled if these kind of live events on YouTube, which actually targeting people to scam them and take their money. You send 1 Bitcoin, we send 2 back to you, and so on and so forth. So these should be really removed and watched. But actually, those platforms which educate about crypto, that I think it's very important. But it's not the ones who shilling some scam projects. So this is actually very, very important. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget, every day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos. On the weekend, you will get these short videos, and today, of course, as well. I put a couple of usually 2, 4, 3 videos out every single day. If you would like to keep yourself up to date, because with these videos, really you can, because you will get the most important news in crypto and blockchain, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe button all. And if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then please hit the like button, highly appreciated. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.